One thing I really want to talk today is about resting because I feel like many of us, when we start a healing journey or we start doing an inner walk and we start preparing ourselves for something we want to manifest, we get into a mindset that we need to work on ourselves every day. Like if I do my journaling every day, if I do my affirmation every day, if I do my healing walk daily, then only I'll become the person that I want to become. But that's not true. Honestly, that's not true. In fact, that will make you more tired and exhausting. If you don't allow yourself to take a break, your body, your mind, your energy feels tired. And then what happens? Instead of enjoying this beautiful journey, you start feeling tired, frustrated, and exhausted. Resting is not laziness. I really want to say you resting is not laziness. Resting is a part of the process. Resting is a form of healing. Like we need food to grow, we need rest to recharge ourselves. For example, in the gym, when we do our workouts, our muscles don't grow right there when we lift the weights, right? Our muscles grow when we rest, we sleep, we give them recovery time. And healing works in the same way. The real shift, the real transformation, the real growth happens only when you rest. And by rest, I don't mean that simply lying in the bed or sleeping. There are so many different ways of resting, like you can go for a walk and simply think about what you want to manifest and really get clear on what you want in your life, or you can simply sit down with a cup of tea or coffee, no journal, no phone, no meditation, nothing. You can do these simple things on your rest days, or you can simply do something like you can watch a comedy movie or something funny, or you can spend time with your pets, with your family. You can go out for a solo date, or you can go out with your friends. Do whatever you like. And these little things make you recharge. You can dance like for no reason when no one is watching. Like you can do whatever you want to do in your room where no one is watching you, or you can simply lie down and sleep also. That's also a form of rest. Like you can do nothing, you can simply sit in the balcony or just stare at the sky, or just lie down, do nothing, think nothing. These are also form of rest. And you don't need to feel guilty about anything. Whatever you want to do in that moment, you just do it. If you want to do a journal and write down what you are feeling at that moment, you can do that also. Whatever you feel like, that's a form of rest. But just don't pressure yourself that you need to do this, then it will not become resting. It's just what you want to do in that moment. And see, healing is not about a full-time job. What we do the mistake is we think, to heal ourselves we need to work on ourselves every day. It's like we think like a full-time job. But healing is about balance. Like if we work on ourselves back to back without rest, it becomes heavy and we get tired. But when we mix healing with rest, it becomes lighter, it becomes enjoyable. So if you are in this journey of healing and manifestation, remember to take rest. One day of taking rest or 2 day of taking rest will not take you back to the zero, but in fact it will allow yourself to come back with more clarity, more focus. So it will give you more awareness of what you want, more clarity, and you will recharge yourself and you will have more energy to come back. So take rest. This is actually the mistake that I did, and I was walking on my healing journey so much that I was feeling tired and exhausted. I really talk about this in my last video. And then I took a long break, like for 6 7 days. And let me say you, when I was taking break, I was feeling bad also, like am I wasting time, will I be behind, and things like that. But I really allowed myself to take rest. And let me say you, when I came back with more energy. I recharged myself. I came back more focused and with more clarity. So, the advice I really want to give you all is that take rest, allow yourself to take rest, give yourself permission to take rest. 1 day or 2 day of rest or pause will not do anything. You are not running late, you are not behind, you are just where you need to be. Even when we are resting, we are growing, because it's a form of healing, it's a part of this beautiful process. So take rest, my guys, and bye bye, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.